Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing the Bape and Adidas Ultra Boost collaboration. Now this collab is set to release on February 2nd for a retail price of $200 and is coming out in both the green and black camo colorways. Now I'm really excited for the sneaker. I'm going to be talking about the resale predictions that I have and which colorway I prefer more. And with that said, let's jump right into the first colorway, the green camo. Now this is personally my favorite. It was my favorite with the Bape NMDs as well. It's just something about that green camo on the Bape that looks really sick. Now this sneaker features an all green camo throughout the prime knit with white stripes and black boost. Really clean look, and I like the little details like the American flag Bape head on the tongue. And then, you know, the Ultra Boost in gold on the black heel cup. I think they did a great thing with this colorway. And this is going to be really hyped, but I think with the Ultra Boost hype dying down, the resale won't be nearly as much as the Bape NMDs when they first came out. Now, those were going for around $1,000 for pretty much every size. And right now, if we go for the green colorway, the resale is hovering around $550 to $600 depending on the size. So here's just a list of some of the sizes that are up on there right now. So you can see size, they vary from like, you know, 525 to 675 here. But when they actually drop, I expect the resale on the green pair to be between $350 and $425 depending on the size. Now that doesn't seem like a lot for a Bape shoe, but again, retail is only $200, so you're still doubling your profit. And again, with the Ultra Boost hype really dying down, that's going to be one of the most profitable Ultra Boosts that have released in a while. And getting into the black pair, this also looks really great. I don't think it's nearly as nice as the green pair just because like there's no contrast between the colorway. So I have an all black monkey camo upper on the prime knit. On the sides, once again, we have the white stripes similar to the green pair. Now this one actually looks a little bit more silver from the pictures. I really can't tell. I think the stripes on the green one are actually a lot more white. This one's like a silverish white. And on this one, again, the Ultra Boost on the heel cup is actually fully blacked out, so it's not gold. I don't really like that too much, but I guess it goes with the colorway. Once again, black boost, and again, we have the Bape head and the American flag. So the details are really cool on the sneaker, but one thing that did disappoint me is that they actually made the boost on the bottom white. Now, original pictures that surfaced of these, the boost was actually all black, which I was actually surprised by because Adidas like pretty much hasn't done that yet, besides for a couple friends and family pairs. But the official images show that the boost is going to be all white on the bottom. Once again, I don't realize why Adidas doesn't just make the boost completely black. That's the only disappointment I have on the sneakers. Now for the black pair, the resale prices right now pretty much the same as the green pair. On GOAT currently they're actually higher than the green pair, which is definitely surprising. But at the same time, I think it's a less popular colorway, and because of that, not as many pairs are listed up right now. But the prices on GOAT for this size range that I have here is between, you know, $580 and $690. For this pair, I expect the retail price to drop down to about $325 to $375 depending on the size. So about $50 less than the green pair. Once again, both pairs are really nice. It's just, I think Adidas has done a lot of camos on the Ultra Boost and has put in too many Ultra Boost colorways for this to be as hyped as it could be. I think the Bape NMDs were a lot more hyped, but once again, these are going to fetch a good resale amount from like $150 to $200 depending on the shoe and size. So if you guys are trying to buy them to resell, then you can. If you're buying them to wear them, which I'm going to do, highly suggest you try to get it for retail. They are going to release at Adidas and End Clothing, SNS sneakers and stuff, and a few other boutiques like that. I don't think a lot of mainstream stores are going to get this collaboration. Usually they don't get Bape collabs. And on the side note, also there's a hoodie that's also dropping with the item in green and black, and I think this is the only other item from the collection that's going to have a high resale value. As we saw with the NMD track jackets and the puffer jacket, those went for a lot, so I don't expect anything less. It's a shark hoodie, and you know shark hoodies are really popular, so I think these are going to go for a lot of money. So if you guys are trying to resell, then that's another item you should keep an eye out for. With that said, I'm really excited for this drop, one of my favorite Adidas drops of the year and in a long time, honestly. So hopefully I'll be able to get a retail, and good luck to you guys too, and thank you guys for watching.